Biostatistics is storytelling with data, only it insists on facts instead of exaggeration. Imagine rolling out a flu vaccine, but never checking if it actually works. That's a world without biostatistics. No insight into effectiveness, no clarity, just guesswork. It helps us see patterns in chaos, like spotting that ice cream doesn't cause drowning, even if the numbers look suspicious. When measles broke out in a vaccinated community, people panicked. But biostatistics stepped in, showing that vaccines still worked, just not in the way raw numbers made it seem. Every data point has a backstory, whether it's peanut allergies rising or people fibbing about flossing. The key is asking the right questions before jumping to conclusions. Good data matters because bad data leads to bad decisions. And in this course, you won't just learn biostatistics, you'll do it. With our programming as your toolkit, you'll analyze, visualize, and interpret public health data step by step. Yes, statistics can be funny, and yes, you'll get it. Because once you learn to see like a biostatistician, the world starts making a lot more sense.